call him.
Nathan! Nathan!
Yes, I know, you like the string.
Come here, sweetie. Come here. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Oh, no. No, you can walk over here. Go. That's a good boy.
Stand him up. Stand him up.
Here. Stand up.
Come here, Nathan.
He's like,
just support him there, and he'll
lay on me. Goofball. Come on. You're getting too
Hi, Nathan. You gonna come get Daddy? Come get Daddy. Come get it. Come get it. Come get it. Come get it. Come on.
What are you doing, silly?
He says, I'm going to have to eat more if I'm going to get this walking thing. I tell you what.
Oh, you're so sweet. See, I am ready for bed, guys. I'm tired. Alright?